Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever wondered what happens between an arrest and a court date, and how a prosecutor decides to actually charge someone with a crime? It's not just a gut feeling or a flip of a coin. There are 3 specific conditions that absolutely must be present before a formal criminal charge can be filed against a person in the American legal system. Without all 3, the case simply cannot move forward. The first condition is jurisdiction. This is a legal term that basically means the prosecutor has the authority to handle the case. Jurisdiction has 2 main parts. There's territorial jurisdiction, which means the crime must have occurred within the prosecutor's geographical boundaries, like their county or federal district. A district attorney in Los Angeles can't charge a crime that happened entirely in Chicago. Then there's subject matter jurisdiction, which means they have the power to prosecute that specific type of crime. For example, most street crimes fall under state law, while things like mail fraud or counterfeiting are federal crimes handled by federal prosecutors. If the prosecutor doesn't have jurisdiction, they have no power to act. The second condition is probable cause. This is a famous legal standard, and it's the constitutional minimum. A prosecutor must have a reasonable belief, based on concrete facts and evidence, that a crime was committed and that the specific person they want to charge is the one who committed it. Probable cause is more than a wild guess or a hunch. It requires real information, like witness statements, physical evidence, or a confession, that points to the suspect's guilt. It's the standard needed to make an arrest and to formally file charges, but it's important to remember it's not proof of guilt itself. The third, and arguably most critical, condition is that the prosecutor must believe there is sufficient admissible evidence to obtain a conviction at trial. This goes far beyond probable cause. The prosecutor must look at all the evidence and ask a crucial question: can I prove this case to a jury beyond a reasonable doubt? This is the highest standard of proof in our justice system. They have to consider whether their evidence is admissible, meaning a judge will actually allow a jury to see it. If the key piece of evidence was obtained through an illegal police search, it gets thrown out. If the only witness is not credible, the case falls apart. A prosecutor's job isn't just to charge people, but to seek justice. Charging a case they know they can't win is unethical and a waste of taxpayer money. So, to recap, before you ever see a defendant in court, a prosecutor has already confirmed they have jurisdiction, established probable cause, and made the professional judgment that they have enough solid, admissible evidence to prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. Thanks so much for watching and learning about the criminal justice system with us. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more legal breakdowns. We'll see you in the next video.